Kansas City has deep automotive roots, and here at Mecum Auctions, we have two powerhouses in a typical Ford versus Chevy showdown. Built at Chevrolet's Kansas City factory, this is a symbol of the golden age of American muscle. And as an added bonus, this is so much fun, the build sheet, a copy of this, of course, lists Kansas City. You can also see the roots on the trim tag. This 1970 Chevrolet SS LS5 is special for its potent big block engine, stunning style, and aggressive personality. With a 454 cubic inch V8 engine, Muncie M22 4-speed manual transmission, power steering. Also, as an added bonus, this cowl induction works, so as soon as your foot hits that accelerator, fresh air goes straight into the carburetor, you get a little bit of extra power. This beauty is a force to be reckoned with. So we move from the Chevelle to this beautiful 1970s Ford Torino Twister Special. Sold in nearby Topeka at Noller Motors, established in the 60s, and they're still in business today. The highest performance package sits under the hood with a 429 cubic inch Cobra Jet Ram Air V8 engine. This is one of 90 Torino Twister Specials produced and one of only 30 produced with a 4-speed manual. So what makes the Twister Special package so special? The Twister Special project was designed and managed right here in Kansas City. This was a really cool marketing promotion for people just in this area. Heritage is so evident here at Mecum Auctions in Kansas City, and nowhere is it more obvious than in this pair of classic cars.